Or on the 1st, 10th, 19th or 28th of any month, let's make April lucky for you. What are the 4 or 5 key remedies? Number one, पहले तो don't share your plans with others, उसमें बुरी नजर लगती है. Secondly, no blacks at all. But black up दान करना शुरू करो because that's going to really work productively for you. Number 3 is a ruby and a yellow sapphire as a combination is phenomenally good for you. Now this is super fantastic. Talk to my team. I've made arrangements for you to have a conversation with me for 15 minutes. I'll explain the science of gems, how they affect lifelong for you. So if you're born on the 2nd, 11th, 20th or 29th, how do you remedy the month of April to maximize its potential? 3 or 4 things. 1, start adopting green as a way of life. Pastel colors, pale colors are good enough, but green is the best. Secondly, start walking out in the sun. 10-15 minutes you need to be out in the sun. Not only it's all about vitamin D, but it's also going to give you a lot of vitality. It's also going to take away your negative energy, whatever you may have embedded on yourself. Number 3, a bit of grass walking. Bare feet walking on the grass or using ortho slippers because it's going to give you acupressure. That's going to revitalize your entire body. Labradorite cat's eye और एक pearl एक combination होता है gemstones का. Please start wearing it. Talk to my team. I have made arrangements with them for you to speak to me before you make any purchases so you understand the science behind it. Remedies for the month of April. If you're born on the 3rd, 12th, 21st or 30th of any month, what could they be to maximize your potential? Health, health and health. There's simply let's talk about your stomach first. Kanji piyo, chas piyo, papaya khao, lukewarm water may squeeze a lemon and just simply drink it. No sugar, no salt, of course. Now make all of these things happen, which means hydrate yourself with any of these fluids. In fact, even amla juice along with carrots, just mix it up and drink it empty stomach. This is going to keep your stomach healthy. Very, very important for you. Number 2, emeralds. I've always been talking about emeralds and emeralds and emeralds for the last 3 years because that's the only thing. In your case, however, this month, add a little jade to the emerald. So make a little locket, emerald and jade, it has phosphates. But talk to my team. For you to first talk to me, I'll explain the science of it, then make the purchase. Don't go buying gemstones like that. Number 3, increase your exercise time. It's not about walks anymore. It's a little light weight training as well. Maybe a few push-ups, maybe a few pull-ups. You got to do light exercises as well. ये time ऐसा है that you are taking a jump for the future to perfection and to prosperity. Your body must. If you're born on the 4th, 13th, 22nd and 31st, and I already mentioned, ये तो बहुत बड़ा month आने वाला है आपका. तो फिर remedies भी बहुत strong होनी चाहिए. पहली रेमेडी तो वेरी क्लियरली है कि आप अपनी प्लान्स तो किसी को बताओगे नहीं, जो आपके स्टेक होल्डर्स नहीं, जिसका आपके प्लान से कोई लेना देना नहीं. कीप इट योरसेल्फ. दूसरी बात, ब्लैक को तो आप दूर रखिएगा. एक्सेसरीज में ठीक है, शूज हैं, बेल्ट्स हैं, कार कलर्स हैं, विच इज ऑल ओके, बट कपड़े तो ब्लैक आप बिल्कुल भी नहीं टच करोगे. नंबर 3, मोर इंपॉर्टेंट इज अपनी फाइनेंशियल डीलिंग्स को फेयर रखिएगा. यू आर एक्सपेक्टेड टू बी वेरी फेयर इन योर फाइनेंशियल डीलिंग्स. उसका जो रेपरकशन या उसकी जो ब्लेसिंग्स है दैट इज वेरी वेरी पावरफुल. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दैट. फोर्थली, एक ना कोई भी बर्ड या एनिमल की फोटो अपने पर्स में रख लो जो इंट्यूटिवली आपको अट्रैक्ट करती है या करता है. What happens is when you like a picture of an animal or a bird and you keep it in your purse, उसकी spirit होती है that comes and protects you. And that's a very important thing for you for this month, क्योंकि आप बुरी नजर तो खींचते हो. And the last thing is हमेशा गोमेद आपको पहनना ही है. एक गोमेद लेके अपना पहनिए because financial health and बुरी नजर से protect करके रखता है. If you're born on the 5th, 14th or 23rd of any month, we first need to bring down your scatter and restlessness. As a remedy, scatter and restlessness का मतलब है आप घर पे नंगे पैर चलो, घास पे नंगे पैर चलो, ऑर्थो स्लीपर्स यूज करो, साइकिलिंग करो, which means lower part of the body को grounding energy चाहिए होती है, धरती से जुड़ा हुआ इंसान, so that you are very centered and stable. That's the first thing and you need to do that. Number 2, it is always good. You are a very good communicator anyways, but don't over communicate. Over communication will lead to noise in the mind of the receiver. वो फिर एक point in time पे absorb करना बंद कर देता है. वो बार-बार एक चीज को repeat मत करो. Don't over communicate. Your communication will be far more effective. Number 3, immediately start building up a routine where your exercises, physical exercises have increased. Whatever you're doing, start building up weight training into it, start building up lungs training into it, start building up your stamina, because ये वो time है where you are achieving greatness, where you are taking off for larger things in life. You need the body to sustain that. Number 4, wear an opal and an amethyst. Before you wear that, of course, talk to me. Reach out to my office to fix up for 15 minutes with me. I'll tell you how these gemstones work, the right way and the right way to wear it. My friends, these are remedies. They enhance our potential, they enhance our luck, they enhance the effectiveness of our efforts. Want to remedy the month of April if you're born on the 6th, 15th or 24th of any month? Let's do 4 solid things. Number 1, don't overanalyze things. आप बहुत ज़्यादा हाइपरटेंशन में रहते हो, हर चीज़ को ज़्यादा सोचते हो. मत करेगा, सिंप्लीफाई थिंग्स टू द लास्ट लेवल सो दैट आप उसको एग्जीक्यूट कर पाओ, बिकॉज वहां से आपकी ग्रेटनेस शुरू होती है. स्टॉप ओवर थिंकिंग अबाउट एवरीथिंग. वो हाइपरटेंसिव एनवायरमेंट नहीं चाहिए. सेकेंडली, स्टार्ट क्लीनिंग योर बेडरूम एंड टॉयलेट. थोड़ा सा, चाहे टॉयलेट के लिए कोई और आता हो, फिर भी अ पार्ट ऑफ द टॉयलेट एंड द बेडरूम यू मस्ट क्लीन योर सेल्फ. उससे मनी लक बढ़ती है. आई टॉक अबाउट रेमेडीज डिफरेंटली एज वेल. Number 3, wear an emerald. I've been asking you to wear an emerald forever, but wear an emerald, an emerald, an emerald again. Please talk to me before you buy anything. It's expensive stuff. पहले मेरे से बात करो. Reach out to my office for that. Number 4, 2 चीजें आपकी लाइफ का एसेंस बना लीजिए. एक तो है चैरिटी और दूसरा है सुपर क्लेनलीनेस. अपने एनवायरमेंट को पैशनेटली साफ रखो, चाहे वो घर के बाहर की सड़क हो. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता अगर 6 पड़ोसी मिलके एक कूड़े वाले को एक्स्ट्रा पैसे दे दें कि भैया हमारी लेन साफ होनी चाहिए. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि आप हर 2-3 साल में अपनी वॉल्स की टचअप कराते हो, बिकॉज ये सब चीजें हैं जो लक्ष्मी जी को अट्रैक्ट करती है. एक पैशनेटली स्टार्ट गेटिंग इनटू द क्लीनलीनेस, स्टार्ट गेटिंग इनटू द वर्ल्ड ऑफ एक्टिव चैरिटी, जहां आपका पैसा और आपका एफर्ट भी लगता है. 7th born, 16th born, 25th born. Let's remedy the month of April for you. Wise words come out of you. आपका माइंड इस टाइम पे विजडम से भरा हुआ है, तो बोलना तो शुरू करिए. प्लीज स्टार्ट कम्युनिकेटिंग योर थॉट्स. फाइंड अ वे टू डू सो. फाइंड अ फोरम टू डू सो इफ यू हैव टू. नो ब्लैक एट ऑल, देयर इज नो क्वेश्चंस अबाउट इट. बहुत सारे प्लैनेट्स हैं जहां पे ब्लैक बिकम्स अ बिग इशू. योर्स इज वन ऑफ देम. एक्सेसरीज ओके, कार इज ओके, बट नॉट योर क्लोथ्स. Number 3, firstly, let's talk about your sleep hours. If you have a disturbed sleep, find your 6 to 7 hours during the day. Somehow get that sleep into your system so that the body can recover and recuperate. You are going to be wearing a locket called a labradorite cat's eye with an amethyst. Why? Misunderstandings in relationship, black energies, politics behind your back, lungs getting weaker, sinus, thyroid, windpipe, lungs. There are a lot of areas which get weak in this stage. All of that is this locket, but before that, don't buy lockets like that. Please talk to me for 15 minutes. I'll guide you. I'll explain the science of gemology first. My friends, you have a very solid, stable foundation laying month ahead. Use it to the maximum. 8th, 17th and 26th born, and we want to maximize April in terms of remedies. That's the first thing that can always work for you is a combination of star sapphire and an amethyst oblique a neelam. Before you go into the world of gemology, I've made arrangements for my team to enable you to talk to me for 15 minutes. So do that before you make the expensive buys. Number 1. Number 2, black is out for sure. This is Saturn. So black is out for sure, and that's going to be very, very harmful. There's no questions about it. Number 3, watch your food, which means the oil and the sugar and the spices. Please balance it. It is not the best time for your stomach area. It's not the best time for basically the lower part of the body completely. So you need to cut it off your system. And the last thing is, these remedies are momentous. Long-term remedies sit in my subscription-based channel, where I give detailed remedies every month. How do you remedy the month of April if you're born on the 9th, 18th or 27th of any month? Very simple. Number 1, you need to balance your material and spiritual. आप सिर्फ पैसे के पीछे नहीं भागेंगे, अदरवाइज पैसा एल्यूड करता है. आप क्वालिटी के पीछे भागेंगे, आप सेंस ऑफ सर्विस के पीछे भागेंगे, पैसा ऑटोमेटिकली फॉलोज. ये 9 नंबर का सीक्रेट है. I've also spoken about it many times in the past. So that still holds good, and more so this month. Keep hydrating yourself, keep drinking some fluids or the other. आपकी ड्राइनेस जो है ना अंदर से जो बढ़ती है, it's at the peak right now. So you need to be drinking fluids all the time. Number 3, a coral and a pearl becomes your lifeline gemstone. talk to my team. They'll fix up a meeting with me on Zoom, and then I can explain the science of what these gemstones can do to your life. It is a direct help for your heart or diabetic conditions also. And number 4, no rash driving, no angry reactions. Especially so, no rash driving. Avoid the red cars if you have that, because you'll tend to do so. Now, these are remedies which you must share. You must subscribe to the channel so that millions can be affected. I have a fully paid subscription-based channel of remedies as well, where detailed remedies are put in every week which can affect millions. Please share that as well. God bless you guys. Have a phenomenal month of April and a phenomenal life ahead.